I am doing something a little bit different for Thermomix Thursday. I am up front and very personal. The camera is very close, but I want to actually show you on my laptop. I want to talk you through Cookidoo, which is the online cookbook. As you may know, hopefully you know, the price of the Thermomix is going up on Monday. It isn't officially, but they're saying, we'll find out today, that it's going up on Monday by $200. So it's going up from $2,499 to $2,699. Now, $200, it's not a huge amount of money, but if you're thinking about getting one, having $200 in your pocket for, you know, something else is definitely a bonus. So today I am going to just share some tips with you about how the Thermomix will actually save you money. And then as I say, I'm going to take you like on a tour through Cookidoo. So it's going to be a little bit clunky. That's why the camera is so close. I'm just going to spin you around and take you through on my laptop. Because I think that this is actually one of the biggest features that come with the Thermomix, that is sitting outside the actual cooking modes. It's like having this online cookbook, which allows you to meal plan, or order your ingredients, connect with Countdown, and get them delivered to your door. It's phenomenal. So first of all, I want to tell you how the Thermomix will help you save you money. So you can plan your meals, which is what I'm going to show you. You are going to be able to make your staples. So you make your own vegetable stock using ingredients, you know, your leftover scraps from your veggies that you're going to throw out anyway. Just as a by-side, did you know that most families throw out around $50 a week in just things going off, things going out of lunch boxes and stuff like that, and just veggie and, you know, baking that doesn't necessarily get eaten. And that equates to around $2,500 a year. It's the same as the cost of a Thermomix. So you're making your own basics. So you can make your own veggie and chicken and beef stock. You can make your own tandoori paste, butter, icing sugar. Like, I just buy one type of sugar and I make my own caster sugar and icing sugar. So there is a huge cost saving there. Almond meal is massive. Like, I buy a bag of almonds and I make my own almond meal. I had stuff, pizza sauce, tomato sauce, all the different types of flour. So if you're gluten-free and you want, you know, rice flour or white rice flour, brown rice flour, millet flour, buckwheat flour, you can make all of that yourself. You can utilize just different cheaper cuts of meat because there's a slow cooker feature, so it makes them really tender. So that's another way that you're going to save money. And by doing other homemade alternatives, so you can make bliss balls in like 5 seconds. You can make dressings and ice creams and sorbets and what else is it? Nut butters, salad dressings. So everything you are now going to be cooking from scratch. You know exactly what's in it. There are no additives and preservatives, and you're using up waste and other ingredients that you already have in your pantry. And it is so much nicer. Whenever I go use a stock paste, I'm like, yay! I get to use the one that I have made myself in the fridge. Okay, so now I'm going to spin you around. I'm going to drop the camera, take you onto my screen, and hopefully it's not too clunky. And I'm going to take you on a tour through Cookidoo and what it can do for you. Okay, so let me spin you around. You get to see my kitchen, dropping you down. Okay, actually, I'll just bring you up a bit, and then there we go. Sorry, I know it's a bit clunky, but it's the best I can do because I want to be able to talk through it. So when you can get a 30-day free trial for Cookidoo. It comes with 6 months with your machine, and then it is $69 after that, Australian a year, which is like the cost of a couple of cookbooks. So when you come in, there's lots of different recipes. Here's your basic pizza dough recipe, your vegetable stock paste. It has, like, you can see it's got reviews. And so I always go for recipes that have got lots of reviews. So say I've got chicken in my freezer. in my fridge, and I want to find out a recipe that is using chicken. Okay, so I come in here, and here are all the different chicken recipes that I can use. And this, if I just take off Australia, then it's got all the different options. Okay, this chicken noodle soup. Now I want to do some meal planning. So this chicken noodle soup looks good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to add it to my week. Okay, so I'm going to cook that. I'm going to add that for my meal plan for next Monday. I save, and then that's going into my week up here. Now this ginger sesame oil chicken looks very good. It's only 25 minutes. I'm going to add that to my week, and I'm going to cook that next Wednesday. Okay? Now, so you can go on, you can look at different recipes, you can research different ingredients. Now, if I go up into my week, here is my meal planning. So you can meal plan for months out in advance, right? So if I click on here and I want to add all of these ingredients to my shopping list, I can just add it to my shopping list, right? So now this chicken noodle soup ingredients are showing up in my ingredients. Now I want to also add this chicken to my shopping list, right? So now if I go up and show ingredients, it's got all of my ingredients in here of what is on my shopping list. Now, I'm not going to buy water because I've got that, so I can click it off. You can see it's got a little box. It might be a little bit hard to see. Some sugar. I've already got sugar. So you can see that oil I've got. You can see what I'm doing. Now, I can order ingredients. So that is going to, you can choose your store. And if you do it, because I'm doing it on my laptop, it's connecting to Woolworths in Australia. If you do it on your phone, then it is connecting to Countdown, and you can get your ingredients delivered straight to your door. Okay? So the other thing that you can do is you can create collections of recipes that you want to try. So these are all the recipes that I want to try. So if that's just a very quick little tour, I'm going to bring you back up. If you are interested in having a 30-day free trial, I know this is clunky, but you know what I'm like. You know, what you see is what you get. If you're interested in the 30-day free trial, just go to Cookidoo free trial. That's Cookidoo. And you can have just jump online, have a little bit of a play at what is available, and then just reach out to me. If you are interested in a Thermomix, just reach out and we can order to get the price, to beat the price rise by Monday, and then we can do an online demo or an in-person demo and help you, because my job is to help you fall in love with your machine. Thanks for joining me. I will post the link below if you just want to grab your Thermomix at $24.99, and then we start the support journey after that, then that is all good. Okay, thanks so much for joining me, and I will look forward to hearing from you. See ya.